Okay, we are almost done with our solid here. In fact, should be a very short video because the last thing we need to do is put a hole through that surface right there, according to our drawing over here. So we need to put this hole in right here. So what I'm going to do is this is now our new plane that we want to create our sketch on. So I'm just going to go ahead and select Sketch, Sketch Tool, pick a surface. I'm going to pick that surface, and then it doesn't rotate normal, so I'm going to come over here and rotate it normal. So now we're looking at this particular surface as it's tipped up and parallel to the screen and or normal to your view. And we're going to place that hole right in there. Now these planes that we created before are no longer needed and a little bit annoying. We don't want to get rid of them, but we just want to select them over here, and these little eyeglasses will turn it off. That plane one, find it and turn that off. And this sketch right here, that's looks like sketch 3, 2. There we go, sketch 3. I'm going to just turn that off as well because it's no longer needed. It's not gone. It just kind of filtered off like an AutoCAD layer. Okay, so now I'm on that sketch. There's several ways you can do this. You can actually use the hole wizard, and or you can also just put in a circle, and this is simple enough. I'm just going to use the circle tool, and I'm going to approximate the location and the size, and then I'm going to come in here and I'm going to create that circle, and then I'm going to use a smart dimension, and I'm going to give it a diameter 30, and then I just need to lock it into place. So from the center to the top up here, from the center to the top is 56.6, and the location from here to the other dimension to the edge is, oh, it's 40, excuse me, I'm reading the wrong number. And there we go. So now I'm done with my sketch. It's fully constrained, can't change the size, shape, or location. I'm going to go to Features, and instead of using the Extrude Boss Base, I'm going to come over here and use the Extrude Cut. And it shows, let's rotate that a little bit, it shows that it's going all the way through. It's a blind, and there's several different ways you can extrude it. We want to just say through all. That means that if you change the width of that part, it's always going to cut all the way through. And we'll just say OK, and there we go. We now have our completed part. I'm going to do one more thing to this. I'm actually going to come up here, select the top part 5, and I am going to do material, edit material, and I'm going to come down here and we'll find wood, and let's try pine. And there's your information for pine, the density, and I'm going to apply it, close it, and now it looks like pine. And when you go to evaluate mass properties, it will give you the density, the mass, the volume, the wetted area, and the centroid, the actual center of mass of that particular part. Pretty cool. That is your part. The next video will actually take you into creating the drawing.